Welcome to this quick tutorial on printing your Whatnot shipping labels, whether you're using a mobile device or a desktop computer. Keep watching this video. I'll walk you through the steps, plus give you suggestions about how to fix issues printing labels. Let's get started. You know me as Stay Home or Stay Home to Shop. I'm a seller like you, and I don't work for Whatnot. You may recognize me as the host of Whatnot's extremely popular live stream called The Ship Show. Bookmark it, and you can join in the chat on Thursdays. You can also watch my YouTube video about how to get the lowest price for Whatnot shipping. Here's how you print your shipping labels from your mobile device. I'll jump right in, but if you don't edit your labels before you do these next steps, you can lose a lot of money. As a Whatnot seller, you probably want to make money on the internet instead of losing a lot of cash. Leave a comment if you're paying a lot of deductions for Whatnot shipping labels. That's why you want to watch my video where I explain how to get the lowest price for Whatnot shipping. So grab your mobile device and open up the Whatnot app. Select the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then go to Seller Hub located in your profile information. Scroll through your recent orders and select the order you want to ship. Click Generate Shipping Label. If you don't see the button to generate a label in the Whatnot app, pay close attention and keep watching. Look through the comments for questions that troubleshoot common issues. Here are the steps for a desktop computer that you can also do on a phone. The steps I'm explaining now will work on any device with web access to Whatnot. You can actually preview this process in my video about how to get the lowest price for Whatnot shipping.
There's no need to overpay for shipping on Whatnot.
In the second half of that video, which I recommend you watch, I show you the features that are available in the Seller Hub. Comment on either video if you see any outdated information. Now open your web browser, and Whatnot works best with Google Chrome. Get logged into Whatnot. Open your Seller Hub and select the Shipments tab on the left side of the screen. You will see the pending shipments for the live shows and marketplace orders. There's a drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Go there and select the live show you want to generate labels for. Open up the side menu by clicking that box in the top right corner. Now you've got access to all the shipping features in Seller Hub. You can run your labels in bulk or generate an individual label by selecting that shipment. If you don't want to lose money, correct the weight and size in the side menu before you generate the label. You also get a packing slip with your label that you can use as a marketing piece to double your sales. But for that pro tip, you'll have to join the Ship Show. Watch my YouTube video on how to get the lowest price on Whatnot shipping. You'll gain an understanding of the Whatnot shipping process flow. I'll make it easy and include a link in the description box so that you can watch how to get the lowest price on Whatnot shipping. Subscribe for updates, and I usually reply to comments within a day. And until the next time I see you, I hope you can stay home to shop.
Let's take a look at our shipping tools. Navigate to your profile in the Whatnot mobile app by tapping on your profile photo in the bottom right. Next, tap the Lines menu in the upper right. Tap Seller Hub, and then Shipping. Now you've got Whatnot shipping tools at your fingertips. Next, let's tap Domestic Shipments. You'll see a series of mailing class options, and they'll be different depending on which country you're based in. Check out our Help Center for more details on when and how you should use the options displayed here. By default, buyers pay for shipping on Whatnot. However, you have the option to offer free or reduced shipping as a seller. This can attract more buyers because shows with free and reduced shipping get a special visual treatment on Whatnot. To offer free or reduced shipping, tap back into your shipping tools and tap Shipping Costs. Here, you can select whether you want to cover all shipping costs, whether you want to offer reduced shipping costs, or whether you want the buyer to cover all shipping costs. Want to learn more? We have detailed articles in our Help Center that cover our shipping tools in depth.